Well, Oregon's wildfire season continues to grow. State and federal officials providing lawmakers on what they can expect as we dive into summer. It is 6 o'clock. I'm Jeff Gianola.
And I'm Mia Villanueva. Those talks come after the state saw a handful of brush fires this week, some even sparking evacuations. Joelle Jones is in Mosier with a wildfire alert.
Out here in Mosier, you can see the blackened, scorched earth behind me where the fire made a path down this hill. That's as ODF says crews will continue to be out here until there's no more heat or smoke. This comes as fire officials told lawmakers to brace for another hot and dry season. One crews say is off to an early start.
I want people just to be aware of the situation that we're facing right now in the preseason, and it's only going to get worse.
One after another, brush fires breaking out across Oregon. Senator Jeff Merkley receiving an update on the upcoming fire season. Fire officials say staff levels look strong, but warn weather outlooks are potentially dangerous.
We have drier, hotter summers. This is not an issue that's going to go away.
At least 3 brush fires sparking this week, burning more than 2,000 acres combined. On Sunday, the Butte Creek wildfire broke out in Wheeler County, north of Clarno. Central Oregon Fire saying the 1,700-acre blaze was about 20% contained on Wednesday. That's the same day the Cherry Hill fire broke out in Mosier. Crews on the ground say it was caused by a burn that got out of control.
I got on scene and it was already well underway of spreading into the wildland.
One of the first on the scene, Kyle Albright with ODF, says it was his 5th fire this year.
The winds played a role in the evacuations due to fire history in the area.
That's like the 3rd or 4th one. It's just now drying out, so it doesn't take much for this stuff to take off.
Longtime resident William says he was one of many forced under evacuation orders.
I was walking him down here at the time, and it was picking up pretty good. They asked us to be ready to evacuate.
Due to the fast action of firefighters, the fire was contained and evacuations lifted just hours after it started. Crews still out there today mopping up hot spots.
It's not unprecedented to have some preseason fires, things like this. I'm just hoping that, moving forward, we don't have as many starts. Being May, kind of trying to forecast what June is going to look like. You just know it's going to be hotter and drier.
With how windy and hot it's supposed to get this weekend, ODF says it may be wise not to burn anything at all, especially as burn bans will go into effect next week. They say if you do have to burn anything, though, make sure it's fully out before walking away. Reporting in Mosier tonight, I'm Joelle Jones, KOIN 6 News.